Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be opening my first two boxes of the new Evolving Skies set. I have purposely avoided all spoilers, so I don't know what's in this set at all. So forgive me if something is an alternate art and I don't know it. I'll also be comparing boxes today. Which box do you think is going to win? Is it going to be this one here or this one here? I think left box is going to win. So, let me start with the right-hand box. Our dividers, energy cards, our QR code, pack of sleeves, damage markers, dice, and our 8 packs. Pack number 1, my first pack of Evolving Skies. And having a hard time opening it. Let's try this side. There we go. Starting off with a white code card. That's good. Psychic Energy, Skiploom, Raihan, Ribombee, Fletchling, Chinchou, Petalil, an upside down Dino. That's really random. I don't think I've ever seen that before. And another Dino. An Aroma Lady reverse holo. And first pack contains a Florges foil. Pack number 2. That one was much easier to open. Metal Energy. Skiploom to start again. Another Skiploom. This is a really weird box with all these repeats. Blitgender, Swablu, Zorua, Petalil again, Cryogonal, Bergmite, Reverse Holo Tentacool, and Jolteon VMAX. Nice. First VMAX of the set. Second pack in. Will it be all downhill from here? Who knows? Pack number 3. Water Energy, some rubber gloves, Cupcat, Zuelis, Carvana, Emolga, Slack Off hanging from a cliff, Gossifleur, Love Disc, Reverse Hollow Reverse Hollow Gossifleur, and a regular rare Shiftry. Got another pack that just doesn't want to open. There we go. Got it. Darkness Energy, Dream Ball, Stormy Mountains, Boldore, Dwebble, Rufflet, Roggenrola, Wobbuffet, Hoppip, Reverse Hollow Galarian Zapdos Rare. Very nice reverse hollow. And a Solomon's foil. So far, 3 foils from 4 packs. Pretty good box. Grass Energy, Zweilous again, Nuzleaf, Golduck, Eevee, looking at Rayquaza it looks like, Temple, Applin, oops, a Sableye, Reverse Hollow Zorua, and looks like we have a Rayquaza VMAX. Eevee was looking at Rayquaza and it was in the back of this pack. Very nice. Fighting Energy, Swoobat, Lombre, a Lucky Ice Pop, Nickit, Roggenrola, Reverse Hollow, Teddy Ursa, and a Melodic, regular rare. Two packs left of this box. Some Fire, a Ribbon Badge, Fluffy, Braviary, Flabébé, Psy, Seedot, Reverse Hollow Temple, and a Trevenant VMAX. Third VMAX out of this box so far. If the pull rate's this good for this set, no wonder everybody wants it. Last pack of box number 1. Some Psychic Energy, Palpitoad, Golduck, Boost Shake, C-Dot, Flabébé, Dwebble, Reverse Hollow Rufflet, and a Dragonite V full art. Probably an alternate art, I would guess, because that's usually how it works, but I'm not 100% certain. I'll leave a caption here to tell you if it is or not. But very nice card. Really like that artwork. Here's those code cards. They may be a little out of order. Just to bother you, upside down. And that's the box one again. Let's get into the second box. We'll see how that one is. Got 8 more packs in this box. Whoops. Big difference going to be the sleeves here. And different dividers. Here's a code card for this box. Oh, also it has different colored dice. And 8 more packs. See how box 2 does compared to box 1. Box 1 was amazing. Very good first experience opening this set. Lightning Energy, Ursaring, Swoobat, some Digging Gloves, Chinchou, Dino, Teddy Ursa, Reverse Hollow Lotad, and a Glaceon V for our first. Looks like either a full art or an alternate art. Like I said, I have done no research. I wanted to go into this completely blind. But I will leave a caption with what it is. But very nice pull. Pack 2. Some Fighting Energy, Switching Cups, Nickit, Carvana, Emolga, Slack Off, doing his cliffhanger impression, Reverse Hollow Carvana, and a Sharpedo rare. Some Fire, Flaffy again, Pyroar, a Single Strike, Scroll of the Fang Dragon, Gossifleur, Reverse Holo Elemental Badge. And a Stoutland rare. Pack 4 of this box. So far, box 1 is definitely winning. Psychic Energy. Ribbon Badge. Braviary. Eevee, looking at Rayquaza again. Could it be in the back again? Applin. Reverse Holo. Single Strike Scroll of the Fang Dragon. And a Garbodor V. So definitely not the worst garbage you can get. Skiploom, Raihan, Rabombi, Applin, Sableye, Nickit, Reverse Holo Wobbuffet, and a Victini foil. Sixth pack of this box. Water Energy, Pyroar, Vigoroth, some Treasure Energy, Psy, Woobat, Reverse Holo Flapple, so Reverse Holo Rare, and an Altaria Rare. Darkness Energy, Rubber Gloves, a Copycat, Zuelis. Jeez, I'm terrible. Eevee, Temple, Reverse Holo Rare Slacking, and a Wishy-Washy. And last pack of the box opening. Grass Energy, a Boldor, a Roma Lady, a Moon and Sun Badge, Zorua, Psyduck, Rufflet, Drowsy, Flabébé, Reverse Holo Rare Pinsir, and the last rare of the box is a foil Regieleki. Here's those code cards from box number 2. Taking a look back at what we got in the boxes. we got a few rare reverse holos. We got the rare reverse Slacking, Pinsir, Flapple rare reverse, and the Galarian Zapdos. Couple of regular foils, and Victini, Florges, Regieleki, and the Salamence. Then we got a few different Vs and VMAXs. We got the Garbodor V in box number 2. From box 1, we had the Trevenant VMAX, the Jolteon VMAX, and the Rayquaza VMAX. Box 1 also had the Dragonite V, which is a regular full art. Box number 2 did have the best pull of the pack opening, which was the Glaceon V alternate art. Seems like an awesome set, and so far, I really like what I'm seeing, and I can't wait to open more. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.